my name is Len and you're very welcome on my channel. Today we're going to unbox Draculaura from the Monster Ball line. So her box is pretty simple, duplicates all the other balls box in this line. It has a mold of a disco ball and it has some spider webs all around it. We have Monster High written here and Monster Ball, the name of the line. We also have a disco ball inside of the box saying her name, Draculaura. Back of the box we can see Draculaura's full art and all the other goals included in this collection. Let's get her out of the box. To be honest, Monster Ball reminds me a whole lot of G1's iconic Sweet 1600 and I'm personally loving it. I'm getting the vibes of opening my first dolls ever and it's an amazing feeling. Let's review Draculaura. Draculaura's hair in this collection is mostly black with some pink strands, and then they also have some glitter strands. Her hair is a bit curly. The top part is put into a bun and it's held by a bow which is made out of plastic. It's kind of black grayish, it's a bit transparent. It has some different prints of spider webs and flowers on it. Draculaura's bangs is hairsprayed pretty solid, it's curled up. Her makeup is mostly pink. Her earrings are heart-shaped. They are also pink. Draculaura is wearing a necklace which is made out of the similar material as her bow. The necklace has a bunch of chains, a heart with some bat wings. Draculaura is wearing an absolutely gorgeous dress. It contains many parts. The main part is black with some pink glitter patterns on it. It also has some lace around the top. She also has a belt, and if you turn the doll around you can see a huge bow which is a part of the belt. She's also wearing pink stockings and she's wearing pretty simple shoes which are high-heeled. The pattern matches her earrings and they have a black heart in the middle. On her hands we can see a bracelet which has a rose on it. It's fully black. Her other hand has a pink kind of marble bracelet. Moving on to the accessories that Draculaura includes. She has a bag which is pink. The handle can be moved and it can be removed from the bag actually. The bag has also some patterns which are matching her shoes. The bag also has tiny bat wings on top. Draculaura also includes a small lipstick. The top of the lipstick can be removed. It also has a small heart on it. And then we get a lipstick which is pink. She also has an absolutely gorgeous accessory that I loved since I first saw it. It's a huge bouquet which contains exceptionally black roses. It's wrapped in pink paper which has spiderweb pattern all around it, and it has a big bow which kind of reminds me of bat wings. The bow can be actually removed. Draculaura brought to the party 2 strawberries and chocolate. The bow itself is black and the strawberries have some green leaves which are kind of batwing shaped. And also Draculaura includes a chocolate fountain. We can see the chocolate dripping down. The vase itself is pink and also matching Draculaura's accessories. And finally we get another postcard of all the girls together. It's a bit of a different postcard, but they're all together, they're all celebrating Monster Ball. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got so much emotions from this doll. I cannot explain how much I missed the old-fashioned Monster High, and this line is giving it. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't be shy, leave a like under it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. This was 𝓪Find and bye bye!